welcome back to Yamakawa. So ngayon, meron tayong bagong vlog. And this will be a quick review about the new Insta360 Ace Pro. So pinahiram tayo ng matalik natin na kaibigan na si Feltim Flynn. So a big shout out to you, Flynn. And thank you very much for letting me borrow this Insta360 Ace Pro for this short opinionated vlog and a little bit of sharing about the features of this Insta360 Ace Pro. So let's go. Introducing to you the all-new Insta360 Ace Pro. Tara mga par, isa-isahin natin ang kanyang mga katangian at tingnan natin kung maganda ba itong gamitin para sa motovlogging. First of all mga par, meron na siyang 1.3-inch sensor which captures more light and better dynamic range for superior image quality. And now Insta360 Ace Pro is equipped with Leica lens, co-engineered with Leica company, which will give us a better image quality and video quality. With the next feature, this will make the Insta360 Ace Pro unique and superior with the other action cameras. So ang kagandahan nito mga par, meron na siyang 2.4 flip touchscreen, which allows an easy to use and preview your shots, and perfect for vlogging, selfies, or hand to capture angles. Now let's dive deeper to its features and internals. So going with the camera mode, it has the free frame video, and then next it also has the pure video. So this will improve image quality in low light environments. So take a look with our sample videos from our ride last night. So kitang-kita natin mga par gaano siya ka liwanag. So napakaganda talaga itong gamitin kapag nagmo-motovlog tayo, lalo na sa gabi. Kasi ito yung pinagmamalaki ng Insta360 Ace Pro. Dahil to sa kanilang 5nm AI chip, which gives a pure video mode, reduces the noise, enhances brightness, and improves dynamic range for mind-blowing quality in low lights mga par. So dito talaga mananalo ang Insta360 Ace Pro. Next is the video mode. So offers a flow state stabilization. Next is the photo mode. So meron yan dati HDR photo, and then ano pa, interval. So the camera automatically takes continuous photo at a specific time interval. Next, burst photo. Ayan, so meron to sa mga action camera dati. Starlapse. So itong starlapse, shoot and store multiple photos and automatically combine starlapse effects. Next is the slow motion. So ayan, slow motion video with a high frame rate up to 4K 120 frame rates per second. And so loop recording, so mga usual features ng camera. Time lapse, all right. So nothing new about this. Time shift. So ano to? Time shift video can be used while moving to create a hyperlapse effect. Okay. Next, free frame video. Ayan, apply flow state stabilization and horizontal lock with adjustable aspect ratio. Next, ayan, so balik na sa pure video. That's all for the camera modes of the Insta360 Ace Pro mga par. Now going with the resolution niya mga par. Pure video mode mga par, up to 4K resolution with 30 frames per second mga par. And then going with the video mode, it can go up to 8K resolution with 24 frames per second. And then 4K up to 120 frames per second. And then 2.7K up to 120 frames per second. And then 1080p up to 240 frames per second. Ayan. So horizontal stabilization, ratio, active HDR, and duration. And that's all for the video resolution ng camera na to mga par. Next feature niya mga par ay ang presets. So ayan, meron siyang biking, skiing, and then surfing, next is the diving, and lastly, vlog. So ito mga par, ginawa to ng Insta360 upang maging focus kung saan mo talaga to gagamitin ang action camera mo. So pili lang kayo dyan kung ano yung mga activities na ginagawa nyo, and it will just set the tone. Ito mga par, masasabi ko talagang it's a game changer. So itong next feature niya ay ang pause recording. So tingnan nyo mga par. So ayan, naka-recording na yan. And then pipindutin mo lang yung button sa gitna. Ayan. And then it will automatically recording pause. Tap the button below or press the shutter button to continue recording. So itong pause recording, napakaganda nito mga par. Ayan o. So play ko na naman. Ang kagandahan nito mga par, hindi ka na maaabala na mag-scroll down pa sa mga previous video mo. Dahil kapag meron kang pause button, it will just record in the same file for one smooth clip. Ito rin mga par, magandang feature niya. So meron siyang cancel recording feature. Ayan, so start recording muna natin. And then kung meron mga distraction sa video mo, huwag ka na mag-aksaya ng oras. So immediately press the record button. Ayan. Cancel recording, loading. Pagkatapos niyan, magtatanong recorded video will not be saved. Okay? Recording cancelled na mga par. So yun, napaka-efficient talaga ng mga bagong feature. Ang next feature niya mga par, which is very efficient din. So take a look with the photo grab feature niya. So ang gagawin dyan, play mo lang yung video. Ayan, start recording na siya. Pagkatapos, pindutin mo lang itong button na to, itong merong circle. Ayan, so pindutin natin. Ayan, so nag-picture na siya. So parang screenshot lang din siya na feature. So less hassle na, lalo na sa mga nagmamadali or gustong mag-video at the same time mag-picture. Ayan. So tapos niyan, stop recording. Ayan na. So tingnan natin sa gallery. Ayan. So ayan yung photo niya. Ito yung video. So napakaganda. Meron siyang auto dash features. So magiging dashcam mo ito sa motor at sasakyan. So just connect to the external power source, and then kapag nag-on ka, automatic recording din siya. Napakasulit talaga ng Insta360 Ace Pro mga par. Ito pa, another feature niya. Meron siyang zoom in, zoom out. So pindutin nyo lang tong arrow. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Zoom in na siya. Pagkatapos, pindutin nyo lang ulit, zoom out na. Yun yung kagandahan sa camera na to. Magdidepende yan sa preference mo kung gusto mong mag-zoom in, zoom out while recording. Ang kagandahan rin, hindi nako-compromise yung video quality niya. Hindi nagpipixelated. And next feature niya mga par, meron din siyang AI Highlights Assistance. So this will give us SD card space at upang makatipid rin tayo ng storage. So in this feature, meron kang single video which shows you the highlights to review in camera. So you decide what to keep and what to delete for convenient file management. So ito yung mga par, pindutin nyo lang tong flag. Ayan. So makikita mo dito meron kang highlights 1 to 8, 1 to 3, 4, and then until dito sa 8. So pindutin mo lang tong save button. Ayan. Pili ka lang anong clip ang gusto mong i-save. So itong 1, and then itong 8, try natin. 6 seconds each. Check. Merge clips or separate clips. So pwede lang, pili ka lang kung anong gusto mo dito. So merge clips natin. Ayan. So automatic din magsisave siya. So napakaganda mga par, dahil efficient na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan i-connect sa cellphone mo, and then dun ka pa mag-edit sa application. So ayan, on the go ka agad. So tingnan natin dito. So ito na. So ito yung clip 1. And then clip 2. Ayan. So yun yung kagandahan sa AI highlights mga par. Okay. Going up next, snap on and shoot feature. Ayan. Pindutin mo lang yung dalawang button, and then it will immediately remove the mount. So magnetic mounting to mga par. So, effortlessly mount your camera and seamlessly switch between accessories. Quick release feature. In addition mga par, meron pa siyang other features. Ito, quick capture. Next is ang rotation lock. And then, going to the gesture control. Meron siyang video gesture example, photo gesture example. Ayan. And next is ang voice control. Ayan. Take a photo, start recording, stop recording, mark that, shut down camera. Okay. Next, ano pang meron niya? Pre-recording video. Ayan. Save the video for 15 seconds before you press the button. Next is ang AI Highlights Assistant. Ayan. And now we have the brightness setting. Okay. So, punta rin tayo sa kanyang sound. Pili ka lang dito kung high, medium, or low. And then, back tayo. Next, pili ka kung grid on or grid off. And then, audio settings niya, stereo, wind reduction, direction, focus. So, wind reduction lang tayo dahil pang motovlog. Next is time capture. So, off lang. And then next, Bluetooth remote. So, kung meron tayong Insta360 remote, okay. And then next is Bluetooth headphone. So, kung meron tayong mga AirPods at iba pang mga wireless headphones, pwede natin i-connect dito. And lastly, settings. Camera settings na to. So, nothing new about this. All are the details about the camera lang naman. Okay mga par. So, that's all for the internals niya. And then, ano pa ba? Yun. Tapos na tayong mag-tour sa kanyang internals. Next feature niya mga par ay ang gesture control. So, this will help on easier way to film. And then, magiging maganda na rin ang ating biyahe kapag hand gesture na lang gagamitin. So, take a look with this sample. So, just wave your hand or peace sign. So, automatic siyang magka-capture ng photo. Yan. So, kapag naka-peace sign ka. And then, kung mag-wave ka naman, I think, start recording yan. Yan. Take a look. Yan. So, kita nyo yan. Nag-wave lang ako. So, nag-start recording na siya. So, yun yung kagandahan sa mga gesture control features. So, more reliable siya kapag nag-vlog ka or travel vlog sa mga content mo and motovlog. So, hindi mo na kailangan pindutin ng buttons. More efficient siya. Alright? Next feature, voice control. Start recording. Stop recording. Take a photo. Next, punta naman natin ang mga color grading niya. So, meron dito sa standard setting. Merong vivid, flat, ano pa? Biking 1, biking 2, urban 1, urban 2, so snow 2, night, ocean. So pili lang kayo kung saan nyo ito gagamitin, and then there's a specific options na dito. Alright? Next, itong EV. So adjust lang kayo ng exposure kung anong gusto nyo. So meron na to sa mga previous action camera, mga settings na to. I'm just showing you the all in all, like run through. So ito, metering mode. Ano pa ang iba? Matrix mode. So just figure it out lang mga par. Low light stabilization, ito napaka-importante talaga nito, lalo na sa motovlogging. So yun yung kagandahan sa kanya. Marami na siya mga features na makakatulong sa mga motovloggers. And then ano pa to, high. So video sharpness, meron siyang options. Ano pa, WB, right, white balance ata yun. Last but not the least, it is also a waterproof action camera up to 33 feet and a fast charging to 80% in just 22 minutes. Alright, that's all for my quick review and sharing about the features of this all-new Insta360 Ace Pro action camera, mga par. So, I hope you learned something and nagustuhan nyo ba tong camera na to or hindi? So, just comment down below. And for your questions, just comment down below then. And lastly, thank you very much Felkim Flynn, my friend, for letting me review this camera. And that's all. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.